Delicious pork ribs recipe, let's make it. 2 pounds baby back ribs. Remove the silver skin. Then cut the ribs into pieces. Half a cup of soy sauce. 1 cup of pineapple juice. 2 tablespoons of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well. Marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Refrigerate. Drain. Set aside the marinade sauce for use later. Heat the cooking oil. Brown the pork ribs. Use high heat. Add garlic and ginger. Sauté for 1 minute. Add the marinade sauce. Cover for 3 minutes, medium heat. Add half a cup of banana ketchup or tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of honey or brown sugar. One and a half cups of hot water. Add more later if needed. Simmer over low heat until pork ribs becomes tender. Stir occasionally. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Uncover. Add salt and pepper if needed. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, super yummy.